Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the switch for the fuel cap, okay, and for the trunk release as well on Hyundai Sonata, guys. The good thing about it is like you can remove them without removing the door panel, but the bad news is you cannot disconnect the wire, so you still need to remove the door panel. Stay with us, we'll show you guys how to do that now. First we'll need to remove, okay, a few. You can see a few leads there. Okay, one, because there is hidden screw underneath it. One over there. Okay, there is one in that handle. Well, this one flew away, and the one on top. Okay, perfect. Next we need to get a Phillips screwdriver, guys, and we'll need to remove that screw there. Okay, then we'll need to remove the screw under the door handle here. One underneath there. Okay, this one was really tight, and I have the feeling that we'll need to pull that plastic piece out as well. So we'll see about this one in a second. Okay, and those two. We'll also need to remove that plastic piece there for the mirror. But before that we have one more screw underneath. Two of them actually. Okay, almost out. Those cars are super easy to work on for most things. We have a video if you have a 3.3 engine on our second channel, World Mechanics, what to look for the timing chain and potential problems with Hyundai Sonata that we fixed in the past. Okay, so this is a little bit stuck now somehow. Okay, you're just stuck on the front a little bit. Okay, there is a clip here, and we'll need to remove that one as well. Okay, like that. Next we need to get the prying tool and we need to start prying the door. There is clips, and some of those clips are breakable. Things fell off the door too, so we'll see what's broken inside. Then you need to lift it up because it's laying on the window rail, okay, like that. And we'll need to disconnect the wires here, okay. All you do for those, like here, you push in and pull out, okay, like that. You have more there. Okay, this is for the master window switch. And this is for the mirror switch there. So let us show you where the clips are now. Okay, you can see one here, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6 clips. One of them came out, but you can remove them and install them on the door panel. Alright guys, so the fuel cap switch here, okay, it's on this side. As you can see, we need to remove it because the wire, okay, is right here. As you can see, we already disconnected when we removed the door panel. Now we need to push in on this side, okay, and it's still holding a little bit right here. Okay, perfect. Now it will come out Okay, and we can pull it all the way out. Alright guys, so you can see that's how you guys remove it and replace it. All you need to do when you're ready to put it together, just push it in, install the door panel in reverse order. So thank you guys for watching. See you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.